things are booming. Like all of us are seeing great sales. I've had an amazing, it's only, Sunday morning here, and I've had an amazing Friday and Saturday. Uh, my phone is just dinging off the hook.
The business builder is blowing up, and I can't wait to show you these numbers right here. I'm excited to just show you this dashboard. These are the things that I'm excited about. This is what I'm going to be showing you right now. This is from a member's account ever since working with me. That way you could just see the numbers for yourself. You don't have to take my word for it, but you could just see for this discount campaign right here, she was able to bring in $365. Now that this campaign is still going on. She was selling 5 items right here. And then on this one that just ended, she sold 859 items. And that's just for that campaign right there. This is only for the discounts and coupons and in sales performance. So this is just for this campaign right here. And you can see, look, she sold 15 items, and that's 14 different orders. On this one right here, this is when we just kind of started off. She was selling 54 on this one. And then down here, you can see where she sold $127 on paintings right here. But let's just keep going so I can show you these numbers. She started working with me on July 25th. She started working with me on July 25th. So you can see where the campaign just took off from here. And it's like a snowball effect. It's like, look, the numbers just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's what I always say. Like, you could just have to be consistent. It's not about talent. It's not about who has the best art. It's just about being consistent. I provide you a roadmap of the things that you need to list, the things that you need to do, and everything is mapped out for you. So if we just scroll down here, you can see her actual campaign. Look, these are active right now. These aren't even the ones that ended. These are the active ones ever since working with me. On this campaign, she brought in $813 in sales. On this one, $227. This one, $16. This one, $423. This one, $500. Now, it's only been 3 weeks. She's only been working with me 3 weeks, but you could just see how this has been taken off. Let me show you a different dashboard. Now, let me show you this dashboard right here. I'm going to zoom it out so you can see it on an actual 90-day prior to working with me. It's only been 3 weeks, so it gets bigger and bigger after you get your collectors, you get new people that come in, you get your high conversion rate, and then you just keep going. You just keep climbing. She started working with me on the 25th of July, and you can see how the numbers right here, these are the ad performance. These are the actual metrics right here, and you can just see the numbers that are boosting. Look at that. You can't beat that right there. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is the business builder. I run your business operations. I love seeing stuff like this. I love working inside of your account. Every store is different. So when I'm working on your account, I'm looking at the inventory. I'm looking at the data. I'm looking at your collectors, your resellers, and I guarantee you the results. I guarantee you the results so much where if you don't get the results, then your money back guaranteed. So, hey, you have nothing to lose. I mean, at the worst case scenario, then it would be like a free mentorship. But look, I mean, these performers right here, they speak for itself. I just wanted you to see that right there. But also, you don't have to take it from me. You could just listen to this testimony.
Corbellic, he's the expert. He comes in there and he knows exactly what to do when. And eventually, we learn along the way how that thinking goes so that we'll be, independent eventually in doing that. And things are booming. Like all of us are seeing great sales. I've had an amazing, it's only, Sunday morning here, and I've had an amazing Friday and Saturday. My phone is just dinging off the hook. And it's going to be a long day of packing for shipping. So things are working. Corbellic knows what he's doing. And then, so join if you can. Right? Join Business Builders.
So if you're interested, I have only a limited amount of seats right now. We opened up a new spot of 20 seats that we just opened up. They're flying out. So if you want to work with me directly on a one-on-one where you just focus on the painting and then I transition you over to the entrepreneur side and I just run your operations, I run your numbers, your algorithm to get you the results. You focus on the painting, the creative side of what you're good at, then click the link below, join me, and I look forward to talking to you on a one-on-one.